Good day to my loyal viewers and subscribers. Before I begin today's video, I want you to watch and listen to this video in its entirety. You watch, you listen, you decide.
I wish to confirm to the Jamaican people that Nesta Morrison, OC Bigger Crime of 11 miles Bull Bay, which is the border of St. Thomas, was fatally shot during an intelligence led operation by the security forces in Langville Park, Clarendon. Bigger Crime has been on the police most wanted list for over 2 years, and despite many requests from the police for him to turn himself in, he actually did not, and several operations were mounted against him that were unsuccessful. Bigger crime rained terror on the citizens within the 11-mile Bull Bay areas and its environment, killing and maiming several people. I think it's a victory for the people of those communities, and it's a great relief that he can no longer perpetrate those acts of violence.
Now that you have listened to the video, at any time did you hear Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitzbailey praises, adores, or portray Nesta Bigger Crime Morris as an heroic figure? If your answer is yes, you need to go back to school and learn how to think, because at no time the senior police officer did not say such a thing. You know what? Before we go any further, I want my audience to know that no criminal organization or their elks can pay me to create or paint the image of any man who kill women, children, men, whole people, burned down people's houses, and committed rapes and impregnated little children under the age of 16 as any heroic figure, or put such person on any pedestal. From what the residents have said, have been reported that one of Bigger Crime's woman, Tracy, is doing a social media rounds promoting Bigger Crime as an heroic figure. Yes, Tracy has been making bouts on social media portraying Bigger Crime as a heroic figure, which means that Bigger Crime have all the qualities of a hero, such as bravery. Yeah, man, Bigger Crime is brave, man. If you believe Bigger Crime was an hero or protector of the community, you need to examine your head. And it is not coming from me. Yes, it is coming from the residents of 11 Mile Bull Bay. And I have hours of recordings from these people out there to tell me about this man atrocities that he has committed. And these people, they are upset that bigger crime has been portrayed in the media, social media, as some heroic figure. I am not here to investigate and supply anyone with the identity of any person. That's not my job. My job is Team Jamaica. That is my job. And I want the people to get that. If you believe Bigger Crime was an hero or a protector of the community, you need to examine your head. And it is not coming from me. Remember what Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitzbailey said about the man. He was a monster and a terrorist to the community. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel want to thank Tracy, yeah man, Bigger Crime girlfriend, that's one of Bigger Crime girlfriend, who has been going on social media, sharing the information about Bigger Crimes, deeds and all these and Bigger Crime is this and Bigger Crime is that. I'm gonna have to put on a halo on Bigger Crimes head. Yes, and privately, yes, admitting that dancehall artists, about the dancehall artists who has brought Bigger Crime is arsenals of weapons, and it is none other than Chronic Law. Yes, man, Chronic Law, the same Chronic Law who is associated with Squash, who's in Broward County. Yes, Chronic Law, that's artist. Yeah, man. So Chronic Law and Tracy, yeah, man, my friend. So she know the ins and out how to separate. So Chronicler, yeah man, any life that those M16 take, that blood, the blood of those victims is on your shoulder. Yeah man. And when I say that without no apologies. You understand? So when people support these artists and their arts, they are supporting death and destruction. Yes, Mr. Chronicler, it is alleged that you are the one who paid for the guns that the police recover from bigger crime. And thanks to the Dan Pissabed, our man named Pissabed, who have been happy that bigger crime is no longer here. As you have done the right thing to tell the police where he was. Yeah, man. We appreciate your Pissabed for being a good informer. Yeah, man. So we love when bad man inform pan bad man inform pan coward. Thank you again. Thank you again, Pissabed. Oh, you come by a big man. Yeah, you still a Pissabed Rasta. Although we at the channel know that there is not a single honest criminal, bigger crime was never one of the walks when he's going on one of his walks in the community with his rifle and saw a house on fire. He ran into the flames repeatedly to save the family and their pets, including dog. Yeah, man, because Jamaican people live with dog now, like American. Everything we American I do, Jamaican doing it. What bigger crime would have done is to set the house on fire and shoot everyone who's trying to escape with their lives. And if that's heroic, then bigger crime was 11 miles Bull be a protector and saint and hero. The police did not paint that picture of the killer. Bigger crime was no protector of the community. So whoever portraying bigger crime as such, you know that you're a depraved mind person. You cannot be for law and order. Because what is happening out there in Bulbia, it's not only criminality, but it's all has to do with politics. Yes, but we soon delve into that. It is our lies for you to embrace and get desensitized to criminality and to accept the same. So what they're doing, Bulbia people and Jamaican people and people all over the diaspora and all over the world, is to desensitize these people in the community to accept criminality and barbarism. What bigger crime has done? Kill whole people, rape little children, burn down people house, kill them, extort people, and they portraying that bigger crime was a protector. Bigger crime was no protector, man. And the people of Bull Bay, they are upset. Yeah, and I too would be upset if I live there and thing there and I have witnessed the crimes that this man had committed. You understand? We at the channel hate people like bigger crime. Yes. We at Jamaica Young Police channel hate people like bigger crime. And one of his women. All like women them. All like women them asleep with bigger crime. You all dirty girl them. So we call them. We hate them with a passion because they have caused a lot of pain to people of 11 miles Bull Bay, St. Andrew. The people of Bull Bay, St. Andrew, where this man begin his reign of terror that have ended in Langshill Park, Clarendon, with the help of a Dan named Pissabed. Yeah, man, Pissabed, yeah, man, thanks, man. I'm glad to say, you understand. You say, boy, you say your thing. You understand. I'm appreciated that people are not afraid anymore to talk up. Yes, man, nice work, Pissabed. You understand. How can a man who's an adult still piss in his bed at this age? Is beyond me. Imagine as a youth living in 11 Mile Bull Bay and someone tell you that Dan Pissabed send for you. Would you go now, sir? Who not go to no man named Pissabed? You mad? Now, sir, Pissabed. Big man, you understand? Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To my loyal subscribers and viewers. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. Yes, that's what we're all about here at this channel now, save lives. Before we continue the journey, if this is your first time to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Yeah, man, just click on it. It not cost anything. It doesn't cost a dime, a penny, a nickel, a pence, or a peso, or a ruble, And most importantly, it won't clog your phone memory because subscription does not affect your cell phone memory. By clicking on the subscription button, click on the bell and select all. So when we at the channel release a video, you are the first person to get notification of the same. Like the video, yes, like the video. Yeah, man, share the video and comment below. Keep the discussion going. And if you look, there's a WhatsApp number for you to click on it and join the WhatsApp group and communicate with people with like minds. Yes, and it's in the description box. Before we begin today's video, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel want our audience and detractors to know that anything that we have said here that is incorrect, you can reach out to us and we will give you the chance to correct the same. In your own words, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel are all about the truth. And if we make any mistake, we are not afraid to have the record corrected by those who have the best information that can be corroborated with facts. As a former detective who have served in the Jamaica Constabulary Force and has knowledge and intimate experience of criminals at war in their communities and understand the genesis of conflicts, you will get caught up in the same and take sides because of your short attention span and not thinking out the facts. And to corroborate the same, you are going to hear from residents who were born and raised in 11 Mile, Bull Bay, St. Andrew. Bigger Crime and the likes, they are not from Bull Bay, they are from Shooters Hill, St. Andrew. You're going to hear how these conflicts begin. I have never met or known the people that I have spoken to, and I am going to let you listen to, especially to this one, and his name is Belly. That's what they call him. Are any of these people in Bull Bay who are at war with each other? I want you to listen to this man in his own words. Yes, people are not afraid anymore of talking. Yes, some things that I have edited, and it was done for the protection of witnesses and victims of crime in Bull Bay. You watch, you listen, you decide. About what?
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear what you say, man.
A bullshit no matter. Me the man I used to the foreign. Wish me come back a foreign. We used to make tree. The whole heap of little picking them down there. Take care of the whole heap of people dead bury. Me do everything. Me go down a yard. Me I run a factory. I make cement like cement company. Employ about 30 youth. Day and night. 24 hours I run it. And then seeing liquor. And piss and zaza. One extra me. But I'm run them way. Because I say youth. No fun no ban and do it, you know. Yes, I'm a ban and do. But them things, and I just know them things I come from. Them things I come from in the 80s. Yeah, I'm not the 80s because you ever go on. No one of them family members come from town. Maxfield, all them places, and them come. Shoot me up in the 80s. Lose one of my eye. 3 shots in my neck. 4 shots in my back.
You lose one of your eye?
What do you mean?
Oh, you lose one of your eye?
Me I run when them come up on my yard.
Oh.
Me I run from them when they shoot me up. Hold me, put it on the ground to lay down.
Oh,
and when my sister came up.
Who come for do that?
The youth them from the 80s, for Lobby, Zazapala, Lobby, Sprout, Osborne, all of them. John the Linda from 9 Mile. A youth named Ezekiel, a youth that did in a tribe theater. And David, all of them. So I saw me left and come foreign, you know.
So why them want to kill you?
Politics. Everything about this are politics. You understand me, David? So me go so boom come a foreign and say, you know what? Me am not a politician, me a youth. My brother when him kill a bull be named Pedro. Pedro begged me to send for the one that run Belgium named Pisa. Me don't know Pisa. So I said, Pedro, I don't really want to help no man, you know. So my brother said to me, sir, brother, help to make him come up. I send my wife, go Bahamas, give him $10,000 for bringing him class. And when we bring back the boy across, The same day come foreign, I got jail the same day.
How comes?
Destruction take my mom shouldn't help him. You know some people help them, destruction take you.
But alright, let me tell you this before you go to further on the thing. As a man that come from the ghetto, you don't know say I roast people them for your help. You never know that.
Boy, I never know me, I try the good and the good one I to fuck me.
No man, anything we have to forget up.
So here we go now. You see man when you piss on me center?
Yeah, no, before you go no further. So tell me about the part where them want to kill you now when them tell you to lay down.
Alright, so when them tell me to lay down, about 10 man round me on my veranda. Up in a lane get this happen.
Which part? Out 11 mile?
11 mile.
Which year this?
1979-80.
Okay.
But we can't tell you, since I come back from 2013.
Yeah.
When I come, I was a boom, run the cement company. I was on many things, I had done and things. So I employ all the youth. Man, I'm a man named Roderick. I do the cement. So, them come to the factory one day and tell me, say, now I'm buy them some machine.
Who that?
Piss and Zaza and all of them. Big and all of them. So I say, yo, my dad. It's a man who buy a gun, get people, you know. I'm going to do it. So them I said to me, say, no. Say, here we go. It's like you make cement time when I pressure you. Every week go on 20 bags of cement. So I said, my dad, come out of my factory right now before me kill one on. And that's what my name kick off.
That's
so
who come at your place and tell you that?
Zaza. Bigger. What if I them?
Bigger crime?
Yeah, man. But me know that out of my place. So from there, so them have me up. So where them go to a youth named Papa. That's my cousin. But them never know say my Papa cousin.
Yeah.
So them tell Papa, say, here we go on. He say, if you give a Belly, Lerner, and Terry Jack, we are on a my friend. And the dog said, no, I can't do them 3 youth there. Are the original man and them man are 4 nature. I can't do it. But Papa knew them up to. So Papa tell them, say, you can't do it. So Papa not do it. Then go so boom and kill after Papa and miss Papa. Shut up Papa woman. Run down Papa house. Run down Papa shop. Kill Terry Jack. I made the only man get away. So all you them thing going, me still never retaliate my journey G.
No, okay.
When them kill me.
Yeah man, go on time.
My brother them kill me, get me involved.
Which brother?
Pedro. Pedro.
Who kill him?
Bigger crime, Blaze. Piss I drive the car. The man with Pedro make me send for. Him kill me and tell the man to kill my brother. So am I leaving?
Yeah.
Then kill my brother. Now have a cousin named Blacks. Then kill Blacks. Bury Blacks and now we not find Blacks body. So am I leaving? Then go so boom. Then kill one next youth named that my little family named Eddie. Brother named Frostman. Kill him. You understand? Then go so boom. Kill Terry Jack. Then kill the Indian. Then kill the Indian. And then kill one next wedding from over Gully. That I first shoot them kill. That me forgot whether youth and name. Them kill him up across one. Me just come from when I kill a youth them. The one when I kill that no man, a long time, 79, 80. So here we go now. You say, when I say about Shrimpy, Shrimp is a man. He was a power and the man Shrimp is a power. They never have no problem. Where the problem come in now, me rent a place, my business place to a youth named Moose, Big Moose. Cabra brother used to play football. Then go so boom, go there, try kill Moose. But Moose is stupid because Shrimp is pick Moose. And tell Moose you know to come back up a river because the man have plan to kill him. So Most still come and the man make up time. When I try to kill most, my brother in the place, and I get to my brother get where that I one name Bob. And Bob get where. You understand? And then shut up most.
Yeah.
Shrimpy come back again and say, yo, you have a dread down and 9 miles after the police station. The man I'm a plan to kill him. And Shrimpy
I dread live there inside the police station.
Yeah, when he get shut up. I forgot to have name, I'm a brethren. Shrimpy tell me again, say, yo, B, make the man know. So I'm a plan to kill him. Tell the man never take in. Then go have time and miss. But I tell him I get shot still.
The job?
So I'm leaving. So everywhere where you hear the man say, Shrimpy a pussy. So them find out say Shrimpy I make you know where I go on because they make you know everything. So Shrimpy say corruption when the man I deal with. They might try to kill out the whole of them. Most of we are family to Shrimpy. Most will be a family. So I'm not dealing. So them and Shrimpy split. So I'm not dealing. And next week them and Shrimpy split. The youth of Shrimpy bring 11 mile. Name black so them kill and where we don't find. And my cousin that Shrimpy best friend.
Oh, that's how the youth where them say him come from Spanish Town.
No, the youth they live Denham Town. They come from Marrack Church, Marrack Palaiso. Belongs to Ice family. Walk of them. So I'm leaving. So when you hear them I say, big a good youth. Big and a good youth. Big a fuck K 12 and 13 with picnic. Big a breed, little picnic. Big a block, big a
Alright.
players.
Hold on. Before you go no further on them thing, because I see a thing where, you know, honestly, I'm not even, because I get where me come from, you know. Me I don't know countryman and them thing there.
Yeah.
So me can emphasize with anybody who live in a ghetto and them thing there. Because that's where me come from. You understand? So anytime anybody I go say somebody like for me, I tell you as a police and them thing there. And when I say this without any apology. You understand? When me a police and him thing, a boy like bigger crime and me catch him. Him just like how you say what and him put up resistance and him licking me. As some more that do that and thing there. Bigger crime should have dead. His mother should have bought him a drunk. Because our man where that's why I'm telling you, that's why I don't like them kind of criminal. I don't like criminal period. A little 11-year-old and 12-year-old. So if the mother not make him have sex with them, him kill the mother them. Cause you ever hear about General Starkey from Jungle?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Did you know a PMP community me come from, you know? And them bringing the gun come mash up my community at Jonestown. 2 police, you know. Me I tell you say me witness and me see them when them issue give man gun. I'll see them M16 where them get whole Starkey with. No man, I want police. No man, I Tony Spalding man. I want police name. Police Barry did get Starkey that M16. But the reason why General Starkey they dead is a woman. Seem like how you talk about bigger crime. Is that I don't remember the woman name. We have a betting shop and the boy go there and kill the woman. Generals. The same General Starkey them talk about, you know. One for sex off a woman daughter. And the woman say no, you're a criminal. Me no pretty daughter, you know. So him kill the woman the Saturday. So you know you hear all the whole of them about General Starkey, a terrorist them. You understand? Me no like them. And them the man that make me turn police, you know. You understand? Them man that make me turn police and me hate them with a passion. So anybody I go say about bigger crime a protector, that person is a corrupt person and a criminal supporter. You understand? Yeah. No man, we're not perfect. But before you go no further on them things, so tell me the name of some of the little pitney them. The little pitney them when breed off out there and them things there. Cause them should have dashed all them pitney them. Me not support abortion, you know, but you don't want to have nothing that the boy the seed for continue and them things there. Them for abort them the pitney or when the pitney them born, the nurse or the doctor them kill them.
Him buried that from mother granddaughter. When me get shot in him hand.
Who shot him in him hand?
Police them, sometimes police shot bigger in him hand. When I catch him in my house in there with a little 13, 14-year-old little girl. So am I dealing?
I have sex with her or what?
Nobody know. Him and I fuck, we know him a fuck the girl. But the mother can't say nothing.
Little pitney.
Yeah. Most of the little pitney were bigger a fuck. No, it's 15. We know that for fact. Me know them, you know. But me just don't, enough of them name, I don't know them.
Yeah.
So am I dealing? Because a boy, you see my factory me run?
Yeah.
20 million worth of goods. And Matthew and get out there, and me put that at St. Thomas police station. Before that again, I'm going to take out nearly $10 million, so nearly $30 million.
You look.
That goods and material. Me lose. Up this up. Mass business. You understand? Because a boy, because a bad man, you know, because a thief. Because a boy will thief people what? Because a boy will block shop. He fuck with him though. And then alone, you have one named Spliftail, you have one named Blaze, you have one heap of them. You real damn. Where I run them is Zaza and Pissa. And them two men are Zaza that hide.
Which part of Florida him?
Him no one place name.
Anti-police them and I'm a big in farmer in America. I work for Uncle Sam. I tell you that straight.
You understand me? I deal with
You so
You're gonna come back and find me now.
yeah. So you
No, but we can't get him name because
are you having a photo? You have any photo of him?
I'm gonna try get it.
Yeah.
You see, he used to talk to before. Yes. So I'm deal with. You reason why them kill my brother and me, they want to kill him.
Yeah man, I know. So I heard. So through them, so them kill your brother for you come now, so they can't kill you.
Yeah, but when me do, instead me tell.
Yes. Now that you have listened to this man, what do you say about Nesta bigger crime? Is he an era protector or a parasite or a terrorist? Because anyone who said that Nesta bigger crime was a protector, an era protector, that person need to get them examined and them brain check. Yeah man, them need a brain check. Because this man will commit so many crimes. All you have to do, don't listen to me, just listen to what DCP Fitz Bailey says. Nobody can, when we say nobody, no guy can pay me to recreate an image of anyone. If you're a thief, you're just thief. If you're a criminal, you're a criminal. If you're a terrorist, you're a terrorist. You can't pay me. Yeah man, Tracy, nobody can pay me. You can't, none of you can pay me anything. But the only pity is that I couldn't get a video, a video and a picture of you and them thing there. You understand? Because we need the people of Jamaica to know who you are. Yeah man, you're going around on social media doing rounds. You understand? And this man and others from Bull Bear contacted me and one and two little things because they have seen what was on social media portraying this man. The only thing left for them to put on a halo. I never listen to it because it's just based on what Bele and the others are saying. That it was an insult to them after they lose their loved ones at the hands of this man. And we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, yeah man, we celebrate the demise of bigger crime man. And it's only a pity that others weren't there with him like Tracy and the likes to go with him. Because they are parasites, human parasites that feed on people. And feed on the weak. And people who cannot defend themselves. That's what these people have done. Feed on the weak. Prey upon people like parasites. Boy, he was a protector of the people. Protector of which people? When the man burned down people's house and killed them how many people. And man a bad man. Yeah man, and you chronicler, just remember the blood of all those victims from the M16 is on your shoulder. Don't think you're going to escape, because your judgment is coming to Yeah man, you're not going to escape chronicler. You understand? All of you artists is pretending like you're doing music when all you're up to is destruction, destructive lifestyle. Want to kill others For what? What is beneficial there for you to kill people? What do you get? You get the person's life? That's why we have no sympathy for none of you guys anytime you guys get dirt. But chronic law, just remember, man, no sins go unpunished. No sins go unpunished. So you buy guns to give this dirty one to kill people. People look like you, black just like you. And what do you get? Yeah, so every time when him kill somebody, boy, I just kill 2 people. How you feel? So what? You know, if you say people for your relative can dead so. Oh no mash up all St. Thomas and all them thing there. You want a little cokehead one, you understand? The one that got jail for coke. A sniff coke. And him mouth stink. We soon come to you know. Yeah man. Based on what I've gathered from this man and others, the conflict itself had its genesis back in the late 1970s and into the 1980s. The video is the first in the series of this parasite and its crony unleashing terrorism on the people at 11 miles Bull Bay, St. Andrew, by these people who were given refuge in the community. So the people them in 11 mile Bull Bay give this dirty boy and all the others them refuge, you know, in 11 mile Bull Bay, and in return them turn the same people them in a refugee. You must not let these people in your community. You must not help them when them hungry. You let hungry kill them. Remember me tell you that. Believe you me. And these people are nice people. Jamaican are dealing with, you know. You understand? Now you have to leave your community for your safety and preserving your life. We will give you part 2 shortly, as a lot more about this war started by these extortionists. Bigger crime, Pissabed. What kind of name that? Pissabed. Oh a man. No, hey, boy, I don't know how a man become all criminal all them thing there. You know? Imagine you in a gang and I want to call this a boy and you answer, hello? I'm say, yeah man, I'm here. I say, me oh, I say Pissabed. Come check me now, man. How kind of thing? I go check a man named Pissabed. A man is supposed to rank. A big man a piss bed and all them thing there. Virgin. Any man who listen to that, man, although still Pissabed a big informer too, you know. We rate him for that still, you know. You understand? Pissabed, you know, bust for bigger crime because him send bigger crime a Clarendon and him bust for him. We love that. Yeah man, nice job, Pissabed. You understand? Because after you kill your nephew and them thing there, you just go on like, you know, although you're vexed, you just say, all right, I just mash him up, you know. You understand? So, you know, that's there it is, you know, you understand? So, you know, part 2 is coming up shortly. So, have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.